Hi everyone, I'm here to talk about Zoom video conferencing software. It's software that lets you see me see you. We can talk over the internet, we can share files, we can do classroom-based learning, you can see your objectives. Um, and I'm making this video because due to the current climate, obviously with COVID-19, we need to be able to still carry on our training. We still need to complete our registers, except we won't necessarily be in the same room. We're going to have to use this Zoom conferencing software, okay? And all you need is a computer, a laptop. You can use a mobile phone, but due to the nature of functional skills, a laptop is best. And so I just want to explain a few things, how this works. It's very easy. What's going to happen is that for you to join the Zoom room, you will get a link from me. It will be sent to your email, okay? And it's a bit like this. Let's pretend you're me. We're going to I'll go into my email and then I'll click on to the link. So you can see this is the link here. And please join Zoom room in progress. So you'll get one just like this. Click on the link and it will take you to a web browser. And then it will say Open Zoom. Just click on Open Zoom or Run plugin or whatever. And this will come up. And then you can join with video or join without video. If you don't want to show your face, that's fine. You can join without video. So I can do that, join without video. And what would happen is that it will then join the room. You can join with computer audio as well. And that is obviously recommended so that I can hear you obviously and so forth. So what's going to happen then is that you can see that I can share my whole screen with you here, and there are so many different options. I can click on chat here. I can share files with you. Um, I can invite more people in. We can see the objectives, so I can basically just go into my screen, click on the objectives, and you can see it. Now, you don't have to spend a very long time in this. It's just for you to see what it is you have to do, and then I will check up on you in an hour or two to make sure that you have done it. We need to do this, obviously, so that we can carry on our training, and also we need to complete the registers. It's a auditable document, and so it will be, very, very useful going forward, and we are probably going to be using this for some time. So please familiarize yourself with this software, okay? And let me know if you have any questions. Thank you very much.